Hi, in this video we will learn how we can add marquee effect to the announcement bar. Currently you can see here we have the announcement bar and it has an effect of slide, but it doesn't have the effect of marquee. So by to achieve that, let's dive into it. First of all, you need to open the Shopify dashboard, and in that dashboard you need to find online store, and in that online store you will have find an option of themes. Click that, and after that you will find your published theme, and apart from published one you can also have the theme library as well. Currently we are going to update the published theme, so for that you need to click the customize button, and after hitting the customize button you will find this type of interface with having same set of options. So here you can see, here we have the template. Currently we have on the home page template, and on the left sidebar you can have the option of announcement bar, and then we have the option of header, and then we have a button of add section. You need to click the add section, and there you will need to click the custom liquid section. Now go inside the blog. You need to click the add section, and in that add section you will find a section custom liquid. You need to click that, and then on the right sidebar you will find this box where you will put the code, and for the code you will find this blog link inside video description. You can find this inside video description, and you can follow this blog, and in that blog we have mentioned all the things and all the guidelines which are necessary for that. So you need to copy this code and paste that inside custom liquid box, and then you hit the save button. After a while you will find a marquee, and here you can see there is the marquee. So to move this marquee announcement bar, you need to click this and drag it over the announcement bar part, and then you will need to click the eye icon just to hide the announcement bar, and now you can see our announcement bar get ready inside our main theme. But you will find, you can see we have a much space over and below, so you need to reduce that from here inside that section. So you can see we have removed that, and now you can need to click save button, and after refreshing the window you will find this kind of marquee. And in order to modify the text you need to go inside this section custom liquid, and there you will find all the text inside span. You can able to change or update the text from here, and apart from that you can even update the background color to red or any of the color. You can even update the font size, the color from here. So this is all about how you can add marquee on your Shopify theme.